Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? I'm sure you got off shocked with that image on my thumbnail. That's the price actually for the new AirPods Max, which is coming on December 15th. The aim of this video is not trying to sell anything, but I just wanted to do a quick review on this product, which is coming out on December 15th. It's called AirPods Max. You can see this. Actually, this was a surprise from Apple. Actually, they were telling like end of this year they're gonna release an hardware, but everybody know about AirPod and AirPod Pro and stuff. I'm already obsessed with all like most of my gadgets are like Apple. Of course, I do use Windows, but I'm saying I do use like everybody AirPods and all those like Apple phones and stuff. But this is like a big release from Apple, which is coming out on December 15th, and they have named it as AirPods Max. Okay, so this actually I was really intrigued by this image and stuff. And then I found out that this is actually a smart case for that AirPods Max. This is actually an overhead like it's going to be what do you call it's AirPods Max. It's a overhead phone rather than AirPods, which is like in on ear. It's like over the head. Okay, that's this was the one which was long rumored by Apple, saying that there's going to be some hardware coming out end of this year, and this is what they're going to release on April 5th. Sorry, December 15th. I'm sure Christmas is going to be like a crazy product selling this for this product. I mean, for these guys. Okay. Anyway, so what I was trying to see is what really they're up to actually. So that's why I was just going to check it out on their website. And I thought, why not record a video on this product and just do it on my YouTube channel. Anyway, so the idea is you can see this. The cool part is the most important part is this is going to be a wireless one, and it's going to be an Apple Lightning charge. Okay, so it's not Type C. It's going to be Apple Lightning charge. That's the good news actually. Recently they changed to Type C and for the other gadgets, but it's going to be a wireless one, and it's going to be like a charging, same like how we charge. Your AirPods, same like this AirPods Max, you're gonna charge with the Lightning. And the good part is like if you want, like this case, actually the reason why that the idea is if you're like if you really like if you don't have time and stuff, you can see this a quick 5 minute charge can help you do like 1.5 hours of listening. Like if you're like a sports person, if you're taking out, this could be a cool option where you're just gonna charge for 5 minutes and it's gonna be of 1.5 hours of listening. I'm sure if you're going out and coming back for outside on something or drive, this could be a very quick way to charge and use it. Okay, that's cool. And you can see the battery it keeps for 20 hours. That's 20 hours of listening. That's the other cool feature. And apart from that, it comes with some cool colors actually. If you see this, let me take you up. Cool colors actually. We see like all awesome pink and gray. Let me close this bit. Yeah, it's yeah. You can see this really awesome colors. You can see this really. Apple is really a brand which has attracted all throughout the world. I know it's like crazy product, and the colors are like really good. Okay, so that's also something I liked it. And apart from that, this part here, if you see, this is going to be like a magnetic attached mesh. Actually, this is going to be, that's what they're saying. It's going to be like a, if you really want to replace it, you can replace it. It's like easily to remove and attach. That's what they're saying, but exactly I'm not sure how it's going to be. So that's the part actually I wanted to check it out. Might be once it's released, we can check that one. And apart from that, what else special on this AirPods Max is that in case if you really want to have it wired, like if you don't have charge, like if you want to keep it wired, you need to get that Lightning to 3.5 mm jack. That's something you need to get like an extra bit if you want to get it like a wired connection. That's the thing. And what exactly is the use of this smart case? What you saw, which is on my thumbnail, and what is that one which I showed you now? Is thing is that it's going to like save you some batteries, like how you put that like a night mode or like a battery saving mode. That's the use of this thing. This thing here, case protector. You can see this. It will help you to what do you call, like keep you on an economic battery, or like you see the low power state. That's what they call it as. AirPod Max enters into ultra low power state with a smart case. I'm not sure actually what exactly. It basically it's going to save you some battery. And I'm not sure why they didn't have like a casing for the entire thing. They just wanted to have it only for that, the head part, or not that the entire thing. And this price of $549, I'm sure everybody is shocked. Even with that price, we get like Bose, Sony, you name it. All the high brands have like a very good noise canceling headphones coming. They have actually even now in the market. I'm not sure how these guys have or as always, they crazily the price is always crazy. That's what Apple is all about. Anyway, let's see how they can match them. Match Sony or Bose or AKG. There are so many brands out there, which is going to be a competition to this brand. I'm sure people do buy Apple just for the sake of brand, more than that anything. But only after we buy the product, we'll come to know what exactly and how good it is. Okay, so that's something we need to wait and see. That's it, guys. I just wanted to do a just wanted to check it out myself, and I thought why not to do a video on this. I'm sure many people love Apple, and this is what I can see. This active noise cancellation. That's a standard feature with all the top headphones. Like as I said, Bose or AKG or Bo Wilkins. You name it. All the latest Sony, all of them have the same feature. Okay, noise control button. Like I can't see a specific or special feature as such for the Apple brand. It's almost the similar features of any recent headphones, top brand headphones. It's almost the same, but the price what they have is like you can just go and get a very good Sony headphones for a very good cheap price compared to this. But you know what I mean. But people do, just for that namesake, brand they do buy. I mean, I'm guilty of it as well. Okay, anyway, so I just wanted to give you that heads up that this is going to be on 15th. I'm sure everybody can go and enjoy this new product from Apple. That's it, guys. That's just a quick video I wanted to do. Let's see how it goes by when it releases on 15th of December. That's it, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.